guys, Nancy Kowalik from the Nancy Kowalik Real Estate Group, and we are out here live at an open house, and just kind of wanted to let you know how this shakes out. So we did have some folks here, and as promised, we had just the agent and their group go in. It's just a couple of people that went in at the same time. We're out here at 5 St. John's Lane in Mullica Hill. It's actually South Harrison School District. Magnificent custom property here behind me. Bluestone heading in, private driveway as you go around. Really nice. And then let's see, I'm not panning the other way because we have folks that were leaving. I'm going to give them their privacy, but really a magnificent property. So let me turn the camera around. I'm going to take a real quick run in. So up the bluestone steps to this gorgeous front porch, and you have all this beautiful old stone. Love it here, right? Beautiful space. Coming up in, I'm just going to give you some highlights. We do have a virtual tour online as well. So our gentlemen, thank you for being here at the front door guarding. Make sure everybody has gloves and booties as they come in, which I already have going on. Beautiful hardwood floors, this beautiful big entry. I mean, it's spectacular. As you come in, to the left is a gorgeous dining room space, right? So really pretty here. And then we have coming straight through kind of this magnificent formal living room space. So a wood burning fireplaces, 2 beautiful doors going out the back. Look at all of those windows there. I think they're Pella for life. Gorgeous space here. If I swing around to my right, so now I've just come in the entry, I'm swinging to the right. There's a master bedroom on the first floor. Yep, on the first floor, guys. This beautiful master bedroom, custom closets. Again, beautiful doors out the back of the house, bluestone patio, a pad that's all ready to go for a hot tub, if you will. This first floor master gets tons of light. There are no lights on and it's a cloudy day. So look at all of this in this room. Is just spectacular, right? You have a closet here. You had a closet upon the entry. This is a first floor master bath, right? Up above is a loft. So if you want to use that for your own rest and relaxation, you can. And there's another closet up there. So lots of beautiful trim and space here. This gets you up to that loft space to use as you see fit. So again, I'm not going to give you the whole tour, but I want to hit some of the highlights of this main floor that I love. So coming out of the master, there's an additional space up here. This is kind of a formal game room or living room. Someone was suggesting that they could pop through and make an even bigger master bath, and it's quite substantial, mind you. But look again, all of the lights and space and private views. You could kind of run around in your birthday suit if you wanted to in this house. Just saying. All right, so coming down, master suite, gonna go down the hallway. I already showed you guys the dining room, which is to my left. And as we come down, here's a staircase that goes up to the second floor. By the way, there's a third floor too. Lots of space in this house. Coming down towards, and the hardwood floors underfoot, there's a powder room. This is the dining room space to give you an idea. Powder room, mud room, nice big mud room with tiles, laundry space, again, view out to the side of the house. This is my favorite room in the house coming up, guys. This kitchen is just magnificent. Let me show you why. When you come into this kitchen, there's a pantry here to the left, and it's big, right? Look at this eat-in kitchen space. I mean, Diana and Raj, I see you guys there. Look at this kitchen eat-in space. It is, in my opinion, to die for, not for nothing. Gorgeous way outside. It's completely private. It's been suggested that that's an ideal place for a pool if you wanted to do so. But this, I don't know, I just love this space. I could not love it more, honestly. The kitchen itself, so on the other side, beautiful custom cherry cabinetry and a huge island. I mean, look at how big this island is. I don't think you get the perspective, and I apologize for shakiness. I didn't bring my my piece to handle the tour. I kind of did this impromptu. I'm checking on everybody. Look at that gorgeous custom hood. Yes, that is polished brass. It is spectacular. Sub-zero fridge over there, so really nice high-end appliances to go along with this gorgeous high-end home, right? So this estate, it sits on 2.86 acres, so lots of room for you, family, guests. Imagine how green with envy your family's gonna be when they come to this house. Look at the view when you're doing dishes out this window. If you do dishes, right? And again, over there's some more bluestone. So just some highlights. We do have a complete virtual tour online. We are here with our open house set up until 2 o'clock. If you need to come a little later, give us a shout. We'll try and keep it open for you. But we are, let's see, we have gloves, booties. We're taking your information, so not sharing pens. And we're only allowing one family through at a time. So I'm doing this now. We have someone upstairs. So I'm gonna just, like I said, highlight this magnificent first floor and my favorite room. I mean, the first floor master is great. My knees are starting to get a little creaky running up and down, especially after a 4-mile walk yesterday. But having it all on the first floor, magnificent. Okay, so enough of that. I'm Nancy Kowalik with the Nancy Kowalik Real Estate Group. It is Sunday. This is a virtual tour for you. And if you did want to come out and see this house, give us a shout. Or if you have an agent you're working with, call your agent. We'll make sure we get you in and have you taken care of. I wouldn't buy a house without seeing it personally. There's things, you know, we can virtually go under cabinets, open doors for you that you can't see. So tell us how we can help you in this decision-making process. Most importantly, it's about you, the client, and we're here to help you. I'm Nancy Kowalik with the Nancy Kowalik Real Estate Group here in Mullica Hill, New Jersey. Go out and make it a great day.